This is how to record your voice on Canva. So first thing, if you're on your project and you look at the top right corner, you're going to find a share button. Just click on that. Then all the way down, you're going to find more. Click on that. Then click on present and record. Then just wait for the go to recording studio button to load up and then click on it. And this will direct you to the recording studio. And then, hello there, hi. You can choose whether you want your camera or not. So I can just choose no camera if I want to record my voice, just my voice. And also I can choose an external microphone if I want. And then I can just go ahead and click on start recording. And then a countdown will begin for the recording, and then you can just start recording your audio on the presentation or video or whatever your project is on Canva. And then once you're done, you can just click on end recording and just wait for it to upload. Then you can either save and exit or download the audio file. I'll just save and exit. Then once you're done exiting the studio, you can just go ahead to the sidebar on the left and to the uploads. And then you're going to find the recording right there at the top. So you can just click on it and drag it over here in the file or the project. And you can trim it down. You can choose a certain section of the audio. You can do all sort of things to it. So yeah, this is how easy it is to record your voice on Canva. Hope that video was helpful.